Run sila! Never run. Never run.
Rainforest are monsters.
Red forest.
I made this video. I made this video.
Pato ka mo?
Ang sabi.
Digital circus the pilot.
Have you seen that again?
Not only are we going to be reacting to it, but we're going to be doing a smash or pass. A tier list of smash or pass of the characters. Okay, so here we go. For it to do this, to react to smash or pass.
Pato ka?
So yeah, here we go. Okay, yes, the amazing digital circus. I'm going to be judging you. Judging this.
Welcome to the amazing digital circus.
Ako yan, di ba?
Okay,
Oh, yung map guy.
I'm your
Oh.
master, and I'm here to show
Tapos
you
ako
the most
yung bunny
terrific
guy. Malapit na ito.
Ulit yung mukha na yun. Ulit na. Yung mukha mo. Ulit mo yung mukha na yun. Yun kanina. Pag napina-show kita sabi. Ganyan. Bakit mo ka? Pang-bling.
You want to eat this face?
Hold on. Okay, this character immediately putting them on a yes. I'm sorry.
Pambly.
I'm biased. I don't know who that
Bad.
character is, but they're super cute. I'm gonna put you on a I'm sorry.
Yay!
This one kind of freaks
Pat.
me out.
Mukha.
I'm not gonna lie.
They
but
give
I'm
me
also
an
gonna
S tier.
This honestly is kind of disturbing me. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna put it maybe on the two.
You. Why you want to be the mouth guy? So you can eat your eyes?
Oh, I love that character. Oh, wait, that character's hard. What the heck? That character had a hard face. I'm not gonna on that.
Just keep grabbing at it. That works for all of us.
Alright, that character is on the Yay Smash, absolutely. Oh, so cute.
Lahat yan.
What's going on?
Eat my booty. Eat my booty.
Is this character got isekai?
Sabi niya, eat my booty.
Can't I
Tapos repeat.
Language around here.
Yeah,
The
me too.
digital circus is a place to be enjoyed by all ages.
Oh,
You, my
interesting.
friends,
Ano lang.
Animation super Oh my god, it's so with the madness. Alright, hold on. Okay, hold on. That is okay, she's hot boys, I'm sorry.
Don't exactly. You can't.
Should find side of the
Okay, I'm so sorry. That character sounds like
Someone say something about an insect collection?
Bakit mo ba? Di ba sabi yung black?
This is interesting. Until I wake up.
Dito yung bossing.
Malapit na ikaw. Banat ikaw.
si Pumply get the exit.
Sino lang sa family?
Ito si Pumply.
Sino na lang siya?
Ha?
Sino na lang siya? It's B! B! Oh, there's people. After this video, we have rainforest lucky.
Yeah. Sino?
Family.
Yeah.
No.
Uy, Jumbo Josh! Oh, what happened to the Dumbo pig?